Hey guys, what's up? It's Running Railfan here. Back in another Railfan video in this Phoenix subdivision. We got the MHNPX coming right now with NS8066. Hope you guys like. Here it comes. Just walk up to the spot right here. Perfect. Right here. I'm a little sweaty. Fortunately, I don't have the tripod. It was having a lot of issues. Alright, let's just get that. That's pretty cool, guys. NS second out on the MHNPX. Anyways, hope you guys like. If you like, subscribe to Railfan content for Railfan out.